is everyone? Welcome to Circle Time. Are you ready? We're going to start off with our song. Everybody stand up. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. Welcome to Circle Time, boys and girls. Do you guys know what day it is today? Let's sing our Days of the Week song to find out. Everybody help me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, then we start again with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It's Terrific Tuesday. Good job, boys and girls. So if today is Tuesday, do you guys know what yesterday was? That's right, yesterday was Monday. Monday, Tuesday, tomorrow will be Wednesday, that's right. All right, so if it's Tuesday, let's figure out what the date is. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. Are you guys ready to say it with me? Today's date is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. Good job, boys and girls, we did it. All right, now, we've been talking about the weather. Did you guys go and look out at the weather yesterday? We're going to do it again today so we can figure out our weather, and we're going to talk about a special part of the weather system. Are you ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is there rain or is there snow? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? All right, go look outside and go check the weather. Did you do it? Good job. I looked outside and I checked the weather, and guess what? Today it's cloudy outside and it's also kind of cool. So the clouds are covering the sun, and that makes it cool outside where we need our jackets. All right, we have one more thing left to do before we start talking about what we're learning about today. That's right. It's time to do our letter sounds. I'm going to come a bit closer so everyone can see the letter sounds better. Are you ready? Say it with me. H says, H says, L says, ooh. L says, ooh. U says, U and It's a vowel. Good job. F says, F says, V says, V. V says, V. X says, X. X says, X. Y says, yeah. Y says, yeah. W says, what? W says, what? A says, A and A. It's a vowel. P says, P. P says, P. Z says, Z. Z says, Z. B says, B. B says, B. O says, O and A. It's a vowel. Good job. S says, S says, J says, J. J says, J. T says, T. T says, T. N says, N says, G says, G. G says, G. C says, K. C says, K. E says, E and E. It's a vowel. K says, K. K says, K. Q says, Q. Q says, Q. M says, M says, D says, D. D says, D. R says, R. R says, R. Good job, boys and girls, you did it! What a great job! All right, boys and girls, good job with our letter sounds. Are you ready to find out what we're learning about today? What did we talk about yesterday? That's right, we talked about snow. Well, today we're not talking about something cold. We're talking about something very hot. Are you guys ready? I'm going to sing a song to tell you guys what we're going to be talking about. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you, please come out so that we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. What are we talking about? That's right, the sun. Do you see our sun right here? He's got some sunglasses on. That's silly. The sun is very important for the weather. The sun is a hot ball of gas. Did you guys know the sun is actually a star? That's right. When you look up at the night sky and you see all those stars in the sky, each and every one of those stars is a big ball of gas, just like our sun. That's really cool. So do you see these heat waves coming off the sun? Those are the sunbeams, the sun rays. You'll hear them called rays or beams. These carry energy to the earth. That energy comes in the form of heat. The sun provides heat and warmth for the earth. All right, I've got our weather book right here. In the weather book, we learn about the changing temperatures. I'm going to read this section to you guys right here. It's all about how the sun controls the temperature of the earth. So, the temperature is how hot or cold it is outside. The temperature goes up and down when the sun rises. So when the sun rises up in the morning, it starts to get warmer and warmer and warmer. And as the sun starts to go down, it gets cool again for nighttime. The temperature is also different with each season. The sun helps the different seasons have different temperatures. So in the summer, the sun reaches really high in the sky and it stays in the sky for a long time. So what happens in the summer? Is it cold or is it hot? That's right, it's hot in the summer because the sun is in the sky for longer. In the winter, the sun is lower in the sky. It doesn't go as high. And it's not in the sky as long. So is the winter hot or is it cold? That's right, it's cold. Why? Because the sun isn't out as long. That's right. So that's some really cool things that our sun does for us. Our sun helps keep us warm and he changes the temperatures. And that gets affected with the seasons, right? Very nice. So I want us to learn how to spell the word sun. So everybody's got to turn on their listening ears. Get them turned on. And we're going to start by saying it slowly. You ready? Sun. Sun. S. Good job, boys and girls. Sun starts with S. Can you hear that when we say sun? Sun. Good job. There are 3 letters in the word sun. We have the first one, S. Let's think what the other 2 might be. Listen close. Sun. What's the last sound you hear? Sun. N. That's right. So sun starts with S and ends with N. What's in the middle? Sun. Sun. U. That's right. U says U and So sun is S. U. N. Sun. S-U-N. Good job, boys and girls. All right, we have time to sing another song. You want to sing a song with me? I thought so. This song is like the raindrop song. Are you ready? If all the sunbeams were candy bars and ice cream, oh, what a sun that would be. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide going, If all the sunbeams are candy bars and ice cream, oh, what a sun that would be. Wouldn't that be so cool if all the sunshine were candy bars and ice cream? That's a silly song. So we've learned a lot of cool facts about the sun. The sun isn't a source of weather. It doesn't bring any change in the weather. It doesn't snow. It doesn't rain because of the sun. What does the sun do? The sun controls our temperature, how hot or cold it is outside. So our sun affects the temperature. That's why it's important for our weather. The weather is changed by the sun. The sun's, if it's high in the sky, is it hot or cold? It's hot, that's right, because it has a lot more room to send down its sunbeams. If the sun is low in the sky, is it hot or cold? That's right, it's cold. There's not a lot of space for the sunbeams to come down and warm it up. All right, boys and girls, we've learned so much about the sun. I want to review what we learned about snow. Where does the snow form? Up in the clouds, that's right. In the clouds, what gathers together to form the snowflakes? Ice crystals, yes. And when it's too heavy for the cloud to hold, what happens to the ice crystals? They come down as snow, that's right. Good job. So we know that snow is formed in the clouds from water vapor from the water cycle. The sun does what? Controls the temperature, that's right. If the sun is low in the sky, what happens? It's cold. And if the sun's high in the sky, it's warm, that's right. And that goes with the seasons too. Good job, boys and girls. You are getting to be such weather experts. I'm so proud of you. Everybody have a terrific Tuesday.